Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch on Fortnite. Unfortunately, Fortnite on Nintendo Switch does not support custom crosshairs. Epic Games only allows the default crosshairs that are built into the game, and unlike PC, there are no reliable third-party apps or overlays you can use on Switch. What you can do is to adjust in-game settings like HUD scale, sensitivity and colorblind mode to make your crosshair more visible. You can also use the aim assist feature that helps compensate, especially with Joy-Cons or Pro Controller. And if you want full control with custom crosshairs, the only option is to play Fortnite on PC, where you can use third-party crosshair overlays or tools. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.